and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D, and I'm back with another recipe on today. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make corn pudding casserole. Absolutely amazing. With that being said, it only takes 9 ingredients, not a lot, and half of them you probably already have in your cabinet. But enough of me talking, let's jump right into this video. You're going to take a large bowl and you want to get 4 eggs, and you want to add them to your large bowl, and you just want to mix them until they all one color. It should look something like that. Next, you want to add your cornmeal. And you want to mix it really good. Try to get all of the lumps out of the cornmeal if you can. It just makes the process a little bit more smoother. Next, you want to add your corn. Look at that, honey. It's coming together very well. Next, you want to add your sugar. Your ground nutmeg. And your vanilla. Next, you want to add your, get my spatula here, sour cream. You don't want to miss out on the sour cream. Like, you want the sour cream in there. When I say this is going to give it that moisture, that flavor, you want the sour cream. Next, you want to add in your cream corn. And you want to give that a stir. It's looking and smelling amazing. And your last ingredient, your butter. You want to stir in your butter. And you want to stir everything up really, really, really good. I'm just trying not to waste it here. Now that I have everything mixed in there all together, look at that goodness, you guys. Goodness, creamy corn pudding, creamy. I'm telling you, it's the sour cream for me. Next, you want to get your baking dish, a 9 by 13. It's good. That's what I have. And you want to make sure that you butter it down. And you just want to pour your mixture right over in there. All of that. Oh my God, that goodness, you guys. And after you put it in your baking dish, your buttered greased baking dish, you're going to put it in the oven and you're going to cook it on 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. So our corn pudding has cooked for 40 minutes. As you can see, it got like a little jiggle to it. And that is okay. Although we use cornmeal mixture, you don't want cornmeal. This is corn pudding. You want it. So allow it to sit and cool for 7 to 10 minutes. I allow my corn pudding to sit for 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna dig in. That's creamy. Look at it. That's creamy. Creamy banana pudding. I keep saying banana pudding. Creamy corn pudding. Let me get me a bowl here. I want y'all to see how creamy this is. Look at that goodness. Look at that. All of that. That is what you call creamy corn pudding. Look at that. Pure, oh goodness. Oh, by the way, I'm eating this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my Southern style corn pudding. With Thanksgiving approaching and Christmas is on the way, this is a great side dish you definitely want on your table. It is a crowd pleaser, honey. Crowd pleaser. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you will not miss an upload. And to my subscribers out there, I love you guys. Until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.